Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy, simple, very tasty, very creamy sauce that you can use with your pasta. Any kind of pasta will be okay. Let's see how to make it in no time. You can place in a little food processor the cream, the sun-dried tomatoes, the onion, nutritional yeast, the black olives, the feta, capers, extra virgin olive oil, water, and the oregano. Close the food processor and process until it becomes a cream. And that's it. This is our creamy sauce. The only thing that you will have to do now is to boil a bit of pasta, any pasta of your choice, and when it's cooked and you got rid of the water where you cook it, you can add this to your pasta. Add a bit of vegan cheese, vegan Parmesan. There is a recipe on this channel too, very quick recipe. I'll leave the link in the info box and up here in the screen somewhere. And that's it. This is our very creamy sauce. So good. When the pasta is ready, you can just get rid of the water, put a tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil inside, add your sauce inside. Usually for 2 people I put almost all of it. Just switch on under the pan again, mix the pasta and the sauce well together. And that's it. Just put it in a plate. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to tbsp UK channel that I will leave the link down below. Is my husband and is the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, honey.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.